So the purpose of this slide is just to show you how to check, because we haven't been doing it, but we do need to check moving forward. So in this equation right here, it's already been solved, and the answer is 40 and 2/10. So when you check, you always plug your answer into the original equation. You cannot turn it or plug it into an equation that you've already multiplied by 10 because maybe you made a mistake. So that's why over here, instead of x, I have a 40 and 2/10 in its place. Everything else is the same. So now I'm going to multiply 3/10 times 40 and 2/10. That's where I got 12 and 6/100. Everything else I just bring down. It's the same. Now I just do the subtraction, and you can definitely use a calculator for this. It'll go faster. And you're going to get 9 and 9/10 equals 9 and 9/10. So on your exit ticket today, not only are you going to solve, but I'm also going to ask you, when you checked, what number did you get on both sides? Okay, so for this one, you would write in 9.9. We're going to do, I think, 3 practice problems, and then you're going to take your exit ticket.